Hello everyone, my name is Dragoș Mșetescu, and I'm about to speak about how we can make retailers have their own mobile commerce stores, mobile commerce applications for their stores. Well, if you know what e-commerce means, if you know that mobile commerce is a fast-growing market, and if you're passionate about mobile technologies and application development, you must be attentive in the next 5 minutes. Programmers are like doctors. They must be always on the go with their AI technologies because they must use the latest tools to solve the problems quickly and efficiently. So let's say if a retailer wants to get more customers and decides to go mobile with his store, a programmer has 3 options. 1, create a mobile version of the store, which is the worst possible solution. Second, he spends between 1 and 3 months to write code natively, Objective-C or Java for Android. The medium amount is around $50,000. Pretty expensive, right? Well, there is a third solution. The developer chooses a platform which can help him, which can make his work easier. He writes code just once, and he has 2 applications, iOS and Android. Well, everybody should be happy. The time spent is less, and so the money. But this is not working every time. Because the platforms that are right now have a poor documentation, there are no payment methods integrated, there is no live synchronization with a store, which means you must import your product feed into a second store, and your users will not have an account, or they'll have to create another one to pay for your products. They failed. Let's stop a little bit, and let's dream. Let's dream at a world in which we have a platform that has easy documentation, that has example that works, that actually works, a platform in which anyone could easily write code because it comes naturally, even if you are just a beginner. A platform that makes you work faster and being productive. But why stop here? Let's dream at a platform that has all the payment methods integrated, most of the payments methods integrated, at a platform that does real-time synchronization with your store, products, orders, customers. And a platform that offers you the possibility to write code without using a laptop. Why not using a tablet? Why not have a tablet and an application installed on this tablet with a text editor that will give you the possibility to write code? And it will be with FTP or cloud synchronization for your code. And also, you can have a live preview in the same application of the work you've done. What if we could have all these things? Well, ladies and gentlemen, wake up. Because we have Synappsio, a platform that does all these things I've told about. A platform that has all of the things that all the platforms have. But we have more than this. We have live synchronization with your store. We have payment methods integrated. And we have an app for iPad that has a text editor in which you can easily write code. You can synchronize it with your GitHub account. You can use any other server you want, or cloud. And we have push notifications, virtual coupons, Offline browsing. Everyone has this. It's incredibly easy to write code because we use, at this time, PHP and XML tags. We have all the payment methods, an editor, a simulator, and the last thing, we have a web server for the time when you are offline. You can easily write code on your iPad, even if you are offline, because we have a web server integrated into the same application. This is it. So let's recap. Synappsio is the platform that helps programmers create very fast and easy mobile commerce applications, native mobile commerce applications. We have an editor integrated, a simulator, and a web server into the same application. So let's talk about making money. Well, we have 4 types of monthly subscriptions, 4 types of yearly subscriptions, and I forgot to tell you about the showcase that will be on the site, and about modules development that developers can easily sell them after that. So let's see the team behind. Neil Appleton is our partner from the United States. He's doing business for over 15 years. He has an e-commerce store. Irimia Shulapă is our last acquisition. Being a web developer for over 10 years, worked as a head of development in the past 2 years at Hyperactive, part of Lowy Group, worked with big customers like Orange and Bex. And the most important thing about him is that he did, by himself, open call, a product that was acquired by Groupon US 2 years ago. He's one of the best freelancers. You can find him on Elance if you search about PHP tag. It's the first one in Romania and on the first page for worldwide. Octavian Racheru, he's our junior mobile developer and head development at this time at Synappsio Labs. And myself, Dragoș Mușătescu. I've been a web developer in the past 10 years, and right now I'm the CTO of Synappsio Labs, where I'm partnered with Neil Appleton. Sorry, thank you.
Questions, please raise your...
Hello.
Hello.
Cosmin. In the last 3 or 4 presentation, I didn't saw the proposal. What's the proposal? What do you need?
Well, we need money.
Okay.
We are in the process of development this platform. We can get it in the next 6 months, but we need 30,000 to get it faster, or 100,000 to get it on the market, to use it, use the money for technical stuff and the marketing. We can talk about this at the networking.
Hi, also Dragoș here. You said you target this platform towards PHP programmers, okay?
Yeah.
How hard it will be to use a visual paradigm to build stores, because it will drastically enlarge your audience right now. So basically your core market right now, it's PHP developers, right?
Yeah, I forgot to tell you about that. Making money is from programmers, but we also can do custom development for online retailers. So there is a second option for making money. Regarding this, we are thinking about creating a visual editor or something like this, but it's very hard to have this kind of tool on a mobile. There are software applications that try to make you a sketch of your app, but they don't finalize the product. So I think somewhere there is a problem with visual tools and the programming part.
And one last question, you said you're on tablet, but you're only on one tablet, or you're on Android, iOS?
Right now, we are working on the iOS platform, and soon after we are on the market with the iPad, we are aiming to go on the Android, and after that, Windows phone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, I have a question. How much will cost me as a PHP developer to use your platform?
We have plans starting from $99 a month.
Okay, and I'm also a WordPress developer since a long time ago. Why won't I buy a $40 theme that's responsive and integrated with WooCommerce and have all PayPal and whatever cashing out already used?
Because you have a smartphone, and
Okay.
smartphones are for applications, not for mobile sites. This is one. Second, there is a big difference between native and web, and we can talk about this in the networking session. But native is also faster and secure if we are talking about mobile payments.
Okay, unfortunately Mozilla will come in soon and make web applications work as native. But okay,
Everyone is doing mobile applications. Web applications work as native, almost native.
Thank you.
Right here, 3 short questions in your left here.
Oh, okay, sorry.
So I didn't get it. 30,000 or 100,000? Second, you didn't mention, you mentioned payment methods, but PayU or Netopia or other local players, are they integrated? And the third question, you see players like Emag, Koyos, and Okazi.ro, they're offering platforms for online shopping. What do you think of this?
Okay, let
Thank
me get it from the end. We don't aim Romanian market. Romanian market at this time is uneducated. The payments from online, the online payments is very small. So we don't aim this market. We aim the US market and the European market. So with this thing, I've asked you 2 questions. That's why we don't have local payments right now on the list. And we need 30 to get it faster on the market, or 100 to spend for fast development and marketing.
One question here.
Oh, okay.
Have you developed the code for this platform on an iPad?
It's in progress.
No,
We are working at it.
I was asking if the code that you wrote was on an iPad.
No.
Okay.
Okay, here.
Okay.
So you are saying that you don't aim Romania, you aim globally, US market mainly. I'm wondering what's your experience in selling in US?
We have our partner near Appleton, which is selling in US for about 5 or more years right now. He has an e-commerce store there. He's a business developer, and he has experience on this side.
Thank you.
And also developers are worldwide. We are not aiming Romanian market as an e-commerce market or mobile commerce market. We are aiming Romanian market as developers.
First
Because
answer
developers
was
are
better, kind